Hello everyone. Welcome to first episode of Get Started with SQL Server Machine Learning Services. We know humans learn from their past experience. Meanwhile, machines follow the instructions given by humans. But what if human can train machines to learn from the past data? In simple, this is what machine learning is. SQL Server has capabilities of machine learning. In this video, we will discuss about the capabilities of machine learning in SQL Server. I am Sundaram Subramanian. I am the author of this video. Machine learning services in SQL Server. In the year 2016, Microsoft introduced machine learning services in SQL Server with R programming language. Based on the market demand, Microsoft incorporated the language called Python in the year 2017. First, let's have a look how a machine learning is done outside the database. We have to extract the required data from the application and storing those data in some databases. Then those data are moved to analytical server in which we do data transformations, model training and prepare the model. Once the model is prepared, we send that separate service in scoring in which the scoring is done. And finally, we send new data to the scoring service and then we send our predications back to the applications. This is how the traditional machine learning works outside the database. Now, let's see how we can incorporate those features in our database, that is SQL Server. SQL Server machine learning service makes this process much simpler. We no need to transfer the data all over. All the machine learning process is done within the database. That is data transformation, model training, scoring, and we are preparing the model. So all the things are done within our database. So we wonder how it works, right? Let's have a look how it works. We are not running Python or R language in SQL Server engine. Then how the data science languages are executed? To execute Python or R language, SQL Server uses Launchpad. The Launchpad is able to launch satellite programs that may be a Python or R language. It is capable to get the data from the SQL Server without moving them outside. So this is how the Launchpad is executed. We are not running the R or Python inside the SQL Server. When the SQL Server machine learning services is executed, it launches a satellite, that is the Launchpad, and there the machine learning services are executed. This video is primarily focused on using Python machine learning services. So first, let's understand what Python is. Python is an open source programming language. Due to its flexibility, it is popular among the data scientists. To gain additional functionalities, additional libraries and packages can be easily added by using Python. Now let's see how to use Python with SQL Server. That is the advantages of using Python in SQL Server. So by using Python, data no longer needs to be exported or moved outside the database. It's more simply the ability to run and script on our relational data. Python supports to process large amount of data. data remains inside the SQL Server security wrapper, which maintains and monitors and capabilities of auditing. Everything can be done within the database. Representative samples no longer need to be taken outside and analyzed can be better processed on a full data set. So these are the advantages of using Python in SQL Server. We can use either SSMS or Azure Data Studio query editor to write and execute our Python code in SQL Server. And also we can also save the script as a stored procedure for users to run frequently. In this video, we have discussed what is machine learning and how it works in SQL Server. I hope this video will be a base for many of us to kickstart to explore machine learning using SQL Server. We will discuss more concepts in upcoming video series. Please share your feedback in the comment section, and if you like this video, please give a like button. Thank you.